Using technology, sketch the graphs of y equals 2 to the x, y is 2 to the x plus 5, and y is 2 to the x take away 10, and sketch them below. So I'm going to bring in the class pad, and I've already drawn them, and I've also added some straight lines. I've added on y equals 5 and y equals negative 10. So the blue one is the 2 to the x. Now be careful with the axes here, they're going up in 2's. So 0, 1 is just there. And we know that that's going to asymptote here. And then it's going to go through 1, 2, and 2, 4, and 3, 8, and 4, 16. And it goes through 5, 32, so it's going to leave the graph about here. So that is y equals 2 to the x. Now the 2 to the x plus 5 is the red one. And what I can see has happened here is that the asymptote is now the line y equals 5. The graph has basically moved up. And if I went for the y-intercept on that one, which I can do a gsolve and a y-intercept, offers me the blue one first. I don't want that. So if I click, I don't want that one. And eventually it will flash the red one if I keep going. So I've got that one, and now if I hit execute, it says 0, 6. So basically, like it's 1 unit above here, it's going to be 1 unit above for that one. So it's going to go through there, and that will be my asymptote down there. And then at 1, it's going to be just here. And it's going to keep going up like that. So when x equals 2, it's going to be 4 add 5, which is 9. So I got that point slightly wrong. At 3, it would be 8 plus 5 is 13. And it's going to go off up there like so. And then the remaining one, the asymptote has moved downwards to negative 10. So that's y equals negative 10. And the y-intercept, just like this one is 1 above there, is going to be here at 0, negative 9, just like this one was at 0, 6. And then it's going to go through negative 8, and then it's going to go through here, and when x is negative 3, it will be, sorry, when x is 3, it will be 8 take away 10, which is at negative 2, and when x is 4, it will be 16 take away 10, so it will be at 6. And we can see that one, so it's going to asymptote there, and then it's going to go upwards like this. So what do we notice about the asymptotes? They just move. So for 2 to the x, it's the x-axis, which remember is y equals 0. For y equals 2 to the x plus 5, it was the line y equals 5. For y equals 2 to the x take 10, it was y equals negative 10. So it's just a vertical translation. The graph just moves up and down by this number just here. The y-intercept is always 1 unit above the asymptote. So when the asymptote was negative 10, the intercept was at -9. When it was 5, it was 6. And normally, of course, it's at 1. So it is what's known as a vertical translation. And if we have y equals 2 to the x plus a, that translation will be a units upwards.